Morrison Hospital has just recently completed a $20 million expansion, and with this expansion we are now able to provide our community members all the services that they need with the personal touch and the latest technology available without having to travel long distance.
We have served 55,000 patients over the past year, and they're from 24 different communities. The reputation is getting out there. We're an affordable healthcare facility.
The radiology department's volume has expanded greatly. Over the past 3 years, we've over doubled our volume. And with this, it meant that we needed to add more equipment.
We're constantly looking at what is the best equipment that we can use in order to get the best images of a patient so our doctors can be able to diagnose even more efficiently and know how they're going to treat their patient.
It's huge. It's part of almost every patient that comes through the door because, anytime you come into the doctor, you'll need some imaging to help for diagnosis.
We used to see some of the numbers, how many scans they would do a month, and that number has drastically gone up. And we knew it would.
It's one of those things where at some of the more major, bigger institutions where people think that they're getting superior care, when they come here, they realize that they don't need to drive 50, 60 miles to get what they need. They're getting service quickly, effectively, and with the desire to help them the best that we can.